Hi, I'm Sook Yee, co-founder of Persatuan We Care Journey and a mother of 2 boys. I came to know Thermomix about 6 to 7 years ago. I got to know from the mothers in my son's kindergarten. I didn't get it at that time as I thought it was pretty costly. Little did I realize it has so many functions and I decided to own one. It was worth every penny and my family loved it. My boys would make their own pancakes, lemonade and ice cream. Thermomix makes excellent batters, juice and ice creams. It is all natural ingredients which are healthy for my children. We hardly tapao anymore and my family now enjoys eating and bonding at home. We cherish every family time together. It's wonderful to be able to make happy moments and memories with our children. I'm especially proud of my youngest son Brandon because even though he has a spinal muscular atrophy, he could make his own breakfast with his brother Jaden using Thermomix.
I make pancakes with my brother Brandon. Brandon, what's your favorite ice cream?
Strawberry and